I think this was done by 360 AMC. 360 AMC has done this research.
The 361 Wealth.
361 AMC, not Wealth. So they looked at 20% CAGR rolling return basis. So out of Nifty 500 in India, 155 stock delivered more than 20% CAGR for a 20-year period. 155 stock. Now that data for USA was 35 stocks. That data for China was 7 stock. That data for Japan was 2 stock. And even if you see this rally in the market, all global companies, very fascinating data. And if you read economic survey, it captures that. It looked at Korea, USA. So in USA, more than 50% of the return of US market came from 7 stocks.
Okay.
China's more than 50% came from 5 stocks. Korea, it came from 2 stocks.
Samsung.
And Hinks. And Taiwan 1 stock only. Okay. So this is the kind of, and all of them are related to chip, semiconductor, AI story. In India, if you look at Nifty 50, which deliver 10% return, out of 28 stock deliver more than 10%, and they come from all segments of the economy. They were FMCG, they were auto loan company, they were NBFC, so auto company, NBFCs, every kind of companies were there. Okay, so India is a far more diversified kind of market. So I believe that India will remain land of alpha.